Hi kids, today we're going to talk about neutralization. Okay, what is neutralization? I've already told you what is an acid and I've already told you what's an alkali. So neutralization is when you take acid and an alkali and you mix them up together, and what happens is from a pH that is lower than 7, let's say a pH 2, and a pH that is above 7, let's say a pH 12, now you don't add them together. Okay, so what happens is they neutralize each other to become a salt and water. And the salt and water has a pH of 7. Now, it doesn't definitely happen this way. It depends how strong the acid is and how strong the alkali is, and it also depends what's the concentration and how much you're using. But generally, we can neutralize an acid using an alkali, using a carbonate, and also using a metal oxide. So for now, I only want you to focus on the alkali. Okay, so there are many things that can neutralize the acidic pH. Now, one thing that people use in the field of agriculture means growing plants, growing food, is they do not use an alkali. This is because an alkali is a solution, it's water. Alright, so we can't just keep adding a solution to the soil, to the field. So let's say, because of the acid rain, my farm here, okay, the farm that I used to grow corn or grow wheat or grow vegetables is too acidic due to acid rain. So what we do is we can't just pour alkali inside. Instead, we use something called lime. Now, lime here is not talking about the fruit. Lime here is talking about calcium oxide. So calcium oxide is a kind of solid that can neutralize the acidic soil. So what people do is they actually take this lime powder and they pour it onto the soil. So sometimes you see the fields are actually white. There's white powdery things on it. So the white powdery things are actually calcium oxide. So this helps to neutralize the acidic soil. Now, other than using lime, they can also use limestone. Okay, limestone is calcium carbonate. They can also use that to neutralize the soil. Now, in our bodies, we have our digestive system. And I think all of you know by now that this is our mouth, this is our esophagus, and this is our stomach. Now, our stomach has hydrochloric acid. Now, although it's a very strong acid, in normal days it doesn't really hurt us because there is a lining on our stomach. The lining on our stomach protects our stomach from hydrochloric acid. But why do we need hydrochloric acid in our stomachs? That is because we need the hydrochloric acid to kill the bacteria that we might have eaten in our food. Okay, so what happens is some people have too much hydrochloric acid and therefore they will start feeling a burning pain in their stomachs. This is what people usually talk about as gastric pain. Okay, or some people have heartburn. Now, in order to neutralize this acid in our stomachs, no, we cannot drink alkali. Instead, we take antacids. An example is Gaviscon and the medicine Actel. These are medicines that have they have solid bases. Okay, they have alkalis, but they're in the form of a solid. So these tablets help to neutralize the excess acids in their stomach. So neutralization is basically taking an acid and neutralizing it with an alkali to form something that is neutral, to form salt and water. Okay, so where do we use it? We use it in the soil. If the soil is too acidic, we also use it for people who are suffering from too much acid in their stomachs, and they take tablets to help neutralize the excess acids. Hope this is clear to you all, and I will see you all soon. Bye!